of exponent, and in each law we're gonna have a basic example. So the first one, this is an example of product law. So for product law, if you have the same variables but different exponents, what you have to do is you have to add the exponent of that variable. So if you have x cubed times x raised to 7, that would be equal to x cubed plus 7. So our answer here will be x raised to 10. Number 2 is an example of quotient rule. So according to quotient rule, you have to subtract the exponent of the denominator from the exponent of the numerator. So this becomes x raised to 5 minus 3. So our answer here would be x squared. Number 3 is power of a power rule. So according to power of a power rule, you can multiply the power outside parenthesis to the power inside parenthesis. So here, you will have x 7 times 3. So this will be x raised to 21. So this is our final answer. Next is power of a product rule. So according to power of a product rule, the power outside parentheses, you can distribute it in each term here. So this becomes 3 squared x squared. So our final answer would be 9x squared. Number 5 is an example of power of a quotient rule. So according to power of a quotient rule, you can distribute the exponent to the numerator and to the denominator. So this becomes x raised to 2 times negative 3 is negative 6, and 2 squared is 4. So this is x raised to negative 6 and 4. However, in simplifying mathematical expression, we shouldn't have negative exponent. So this becomes 1 over 4x raised to positive 6. Number 6 is the zero law. So using the power of a product rule, you can distribute the 0 in each term here. So you get 7 raised to 0, x raised to 0, and 2 times 0 is 0, so y raised to 0. So this term becomes 1. Next is a negative exponent law. Okay, so first let's use in this example the power of a quotient law. So let's distribute the negative exponent to the numerator and the denominator. So you get 3 raised to negative 2 over 4 raised to negative 2. Now, if we switch the terms, if we move the denominator to the numerator, the exponent becomes positive. If we move the numerator to the denominator, the exponents become positive as well. So in this example, if we move 4 to the numerator, this becomes 4 squared over 3 squared. So our final answer would be 16 over 9.